Greetings, and I am me, and today's puzzle is the biggest one that I have, but also possibly the simplest, and the one that was the hardest for me to find. I've been wanting to do a solution for this one for a while now, and I misplaced it. I didn't know where it was, even though it's literally this big. But here we go. It's like I said, it's pretty simple. So, we've got this circle on this whole contraption, and you got to get the circle off the contraption. And so you're thinking, well, first of all, it's stuck on this stupid triangle, and then even if I get it off the triangle, can't really get it off the rest of the thing, right? You're like, okay, I can move the triangle around, I can move the circle around, but like, no matter what, this triangle is around this thing, and this circle is around the triangle. So you're basically hopeless. And you're like, okay, well, I can take the circle off the triangle, but then what do? I can't get it past this part. Okay, how about if I go like this? And so then you're like, okay, now it's over here again. Let me get it off the triangle again. But you're still hopelessly stuck, right? You're like, I don't know what to do. So, here is what you do. You gotta always look at all of the moving pieces. And you're like, well, I am. I'm looking at the circle, that moves. I'm looking at the triangle, that moves. I'm looking at this piece, that moves. Aha, but you're forgetting one other very vital piece that moves. The hinge. That's the key to this whole puzzle. Basically, fold your puzzle in half. Move the triangle piece so that it's up here, so that you can get the circle off of it. Bring the circle down, okay? See, I don't care about the triangle piece anymore. That's irrelevant. I moved the circle piece so that it is around both of these. I'm going down like that. And then I'm just going to go around the other way, and it comes right off. Okay? See? Wablam. And if you think, well, maybe, okay, crud, I found it like this. I figured it out somehow. I undid it, and I don't know how to get it back together. You just do the opposite, okay? So fold it in half again. Once again, completely disregard the triangle. That's pointless. Take your circle piece, put it right on like that. See how I'm doing that? And around, keep going all the way. Once again, disregard the triangle. If you have to shove it out of the way, then shove it out of the way. And then once you're back like this, you can unfold it. And then you have the whole thing again. And you're ready to go and bring it to someone else and say, haha, look what I can do. And then show them and it'll be awesome. Or give it to them and see how stupid they are for not being able to do it. But that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye now.